Now we will see what are the different ways we can do in order to reduce air pollution. Yes, to make air 100% pure is impossible, but at least we can reduce it. Okay, here there are only few points, but there are so many which you can write on your own or you can think on your own. Okay, so one of the main thing is that if a government is not corrupt, or they allowed, because we know that India has so many good talent people, if they allowed those people with talent to come in power, so definitely there are some engineers, okay, especially those who are studying in IT and all. I think they will be able to make those various kind of chimney which can convert the dirty air into pure air. But the problem is that, I mean, by fitting those in our kitchen or in industries or the vehicles, then definitely that mean they will become like a filter, so all the dirty substance will remain inside those chimney and then the pure air will go out. But the problem, this is India, lots of corruption are there, and especially those people with talent, they are not able to, only few they can go up, because there is always the backup. Okay, so forget about it, but we need to change actually the system, then only something will come out of it. But let's try. As long as we don't have that, let us try our best to minimize all the air pollution, starting right from our house and then school. Okay, then we will take it to higher level. So first of all, this need, if you are the one who own the factories or automobiles, okay, we should see if there is those kind of filter in the market, then we should fill those filter at the place where the smoke is allowed to go out, so that they will filter the harmful substances and allow only the pure air. So I think it's from time to time we do have those place where they used to check the pollution of vehicles. So that means at least we can do that. No, at least we can check our vehicles from time to time, so that the filter will be working better in order to reduce the pollution. Then another one is what we can do, like we know burning coal, burning wood, then definitely they produce smoke, they produce ash, which cause pollution. So at home, if instead of cooking with wood or cooking with coal or charcoal, if we can replace it using the solar cooker or using electricity, okay, so in that case, that means somehow we will be able to replace the mean to reduce the release of carbon dioxide and release of the this ash. That means we will try to take the alternate which will help to reduce the pollution. Then also, if we possible, if nowadays we have few place to plant trees and all, at least we can plant some flower in flower pot, or if possible we can plant some of the plants in our, those who have terrace, they can do so in terrace, because even if one or two plants also, especially the green one, definitely they will help to purify the air. Then another one is that we should try our own best, okay, for self cleaning, that is try to plant trees wherever possible. And this one should be done by, there should be a strong law. So while making the law, mean we people cannot do, but our representative can do so. This one, MLA, MPs, okay, they can make law in such a way that wherever the place where there is industries, so surrounded is industries, there should be, they should plant lots and lots of trees. Only then behind those trees, people should stay. That means the building house for the house for people to stay, so that there will be a gap between the industries. But the problem is that if you check nowadays in India, once the industry start or one road start, we all want to make house near the road, we all want to make house near industry, because sometimes we get we are too lazy to travel, but actually that bring make more dangerous. But if possible, mean Near the road also we should plant trees, but we should see not those tall trees. Otherwise, when there is heavy wind, there will be accident. But we should see those shrub type, no. Near the road also we can build, and especially around the industries. Only beyond that green belt, then only people should build house in order to stay, so that there will be any of those pollution which come out from the industries or from the road, it will be blocked by those forests. So in that case, that means we will not face much of those problem caused by air pollution. Then at the same time, okay, the government should make strict rules. And when we mean strict rules, means strict rules, okay. They should not corrupt, or they should not let the industry to let go easily. Only then somehow we can remove the air pollution. We cannot make it 100% sure, but if all of us join hand, at least we can reduce it. Okay, so remember, along with this point, you can add up some more by yourself. Okay, so remember, first of all, how to minimize air pollution. That is what we should do. We can get those kind of filter in the chimney in our house, or chimney of the factories, and even in that place where the vehicles they release the gas, so that the only the better purer air will go out and the dirty substances will remain there, and we should clean it from time to time. Then at the same time, if possible, instead of using coal or oil, if possible, we can use solar cooker, or we can use electricity, or we can use wind energy, we can use uh, water energy, because those they do not cause pollution. Then another one, we should try our best to produce more and more vegetables or more and more trees, either in our residence or in the locality, wherever possible. Then the last one, it is the work of the government. There should be strict rule for the industries, how to treat the environment, especially surrounding the industries, so that there will be no pollution.